My name is Thomas Fitzgerald. People call me Tom. I'm a senior implementation consultant with Autodesk, specializing in Inventor automation, leveraging the Inventor API, as well as working within the data management sphere, primarily Vault and PLM and applications that support the manufacturing industry pretty specifically. So a little bit about myself. Um, I have been with Autodesk since 2011, so this is now going to be my 8th year working with Autodesk. I come from a manufacturing industry, primarily working with heavy machinery, material handling, surface mining equipment. I've used many different CAD applications: CATIA, ProE, Solid Edge, SolidWorks, Inventor, Mechanical Desktop, AutoCAD. So a real good breadth of different influences of different CAD applications, working in both large and rather small engineering departments. I am also a Microsoft certified systems administrator. I decided to pursue that knowledge to help support those desires in which I have around CAD software, systems, networks, infrastructures, the whole realm of everything that involved with working with CAD applications. As I stated before, been working with Autodesk since 2011. Previous to that, I worked for the reseller channel for a number of years, so I've been supporting Autodesk products for 12 years now, so a very long time. And I wouldn't have changed anything for anything. It's been a great ride.